So hello guys, and I thought I promised you an update on my scooter to see what's going on, and I have to say it's so far so good. Xiaomi customer services, they sent me an email back the next day after I posted the video saying, hiya, could you provide us a pickup address? We will send you out a box to package up the scooter, and we will get it picked up the same day by a DPD driver. And we'll get it sent off to be repaired free of charge because you bought it from a store. So that was absolutely brilliant. I'm really happy. Sadly, the box they sent me wasn't quite big enough because of the handlebars, and I wasn't here, so my mum said it didn't fit. What I realised I had to do is I had to just take out these two screws and pull the handlebars out, which they will come out. Ooh. So they can fold down. So I've got a scheduled pickup again for, I think it's 3 days from now, because I'm quite busy at school and I won't be able to be home and no one's home. So this is going to take quite a while, I suppose, until Xiaomi finally receives it, fixes it and sends it back out. But for the meantime, I have another one. It's not mine, it's my brother's. But of course I'll be using this one because I cannot be without them. They're brilliant. But I thought I'd let you guys know. So really quick video update. And if you like this Xiaomi scooter content, tell me in the comments, because I'd like to know, and tell me what else you'd like about the scooters. I'll see you in the next one.